This video will demonstrate how to properly clean a soft heat server. Tilt the server forward and drain completely. Remove the lid assembly. Unscrew white inlet cap and inlet tube. Then remove vent ball. Clean server lid and air vent with a small bristle brush using a cleaning product and water solution. Ensure to clean inlet tube assembly with cleaning solution. Rinse well. Assemble the lid, making sure to replace the vent ball and inlet tube. Unscrew the side gauge cap and remove the glass tube. Ensure to clean glass tube with brush and cleaning solution. Rinse with fresh water and allow to dry. Reinstall glass tube and side gauge cap. Turn the faucet wing in a clockwise direction and remove the faucet from the server. Use a bristle brush to thoroughly scrub the faucet shank. Unscrew the faucet cap from the body and disassemble all faucet parts. Thoroughly wash all parts in a mild detergent and water solution and rinse with fresh water. Transfer faucet parts to approved non-chlorine sanitizer. Allow faucet parts to soak in a sanitizer solution for a minimum of 10 minutes. Remove the faucet parts from the sanitizer solution and rinse thoroughly. Allow parts to air dry completely. Reassemble faucet. Install faucet into server. Do not immerse server into water. Fill server with approved non-chlorine sanitizer solution. Using a non-abrasive nylon brush, clean inside of server. Allow to soak for 5 minutes. Rinse with fresh water. Soak overnight. The use of a damp cloth rinsed in any mild, non-abrasive, liquid detergent is recommended for cleaning all surfaces on pneumatic equipment.